Most WooCommerce store owners don't realize they're losing in-store sales because their online and local operations are completely disconnected. Your e-commerce site is pulling in orders, but walk-in customers, they're on a totally separate system. That means duplicate data entry, mismatched inventory, and checkout friction that quietly kills sales. Vitepos plugs directly into WooCommerce and unifies everything. One app runs your online store and your physical counter at the same time. Product management, customer records, order history, synced. It supports multiple languages, so your diverse customer base gets a smooth experience every time. Staff get defined roles and access, so there's no confusion at the counter. Barcode scanning, order returns, refunds, and reporting are all handled inside the same plugin. Real users report noticeable improvements in customer satisfaction after switching. No more disconnected mess. Vitepos turns your existing WooCommerce setup into a full retail operation. Click the link below and see it in action today.